Intruder fatally shot by cops at Hunts Bay Police Station. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was fatally shot by the police at the Hunts Bay Police Station in St. Andrews South Police Division near midnight on Saturday after two persons were detected on the top of the lockup at the facility. The intruders were tackled by law enforcement officers, and after a reported exchange of gunfire, one man was found suffering from gunshot wounds and a Glock 9mm pistol was seized by the police. The men believed to have been on a mission to pass contraband into the lockup. Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, the officer in charge of the division, gave a report about the incident.
Just before 12 midnight last evening, I would say about 11:40 p.m., the police discovered that men were on the rooftop of the Hunts Bay lockup. They attempted to accost these men when one of the men opened fire at the police, and the police took the necessary evasive action, returned the fire, and at the end of the melee, it was discovered that one of two men was suffering from gunshot injuries. The other man escaped. We believe that this was an attempt by these culprits to introduce contraband to the lockups. We have noticed in recent times an increased discovery in contraband within our lockups. We do know that we have some vulnerabilities towards the rear of the premises, and as such we have increased our presence, and so our increased patrolling of the space would have uncovered this attempt last night. A Glock 9mm was recovered from the deceased individual.
In the meantime, the police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.